Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you connect your Chrysler Pacifica's garage door opener. First, find the home link buttons, usually on the overhead console. Next, clear any old programming by pressing and holding the two outer home link buttons until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Then, hold your garage door opener remote 1 to 3 inches from the home link buttons. Now, simultaneously press and hold the home link button you want to program and your garage door remote's open button. Keep holding both until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then solid. Release both buttons. Finally, test the programmed home link button to confirm it opens and closes your garage door. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially on the go. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold in your Pacifica. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. If your garage door has a rolling code system, there's one more step. Find the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually near the antenna. Press this button once. Immediately return to your Pacifica and press the home link button you just programmed 3 times, pausing briefly between each press. This should complete the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.